Hi everyone, Richard here. Just got some update. My lexar 128 GB got corrupted and crashed, totally unable to recover all my videos and photos from an event that was occurring. When I was copying it out, it just crashed, and then I got some of the pictures, but the majority of it, the video of the event, is all gone. Lexar couldn't get it back. I couldn't recover it. Lexar couldn't recover it. So Fuji was kind enough to set me up with this new CF card. This is the Wise CFexpress. This is the Pro memory card, which is 160 GB. Much faster than the Lexar. So it's 1700 Mbps read and 1550 Mbps write. Now, it can sustain. What's important is the sustained speed, 1300 Mbps. So I'll try this card out and do a lot of, because I do a lot of wildlife birding, and I shoot in at least 4K 60. I hope this is a stable card, not like Lexar, and this can keep this X-H2 happy. So this is a beautiful X-H2 with my birding lens. So let's look at Wise, and cross fingers this will cover this X-H2 well, and if it does, I'll recommend it to you guys, and so that you guys can use this. When I use this X-H2, it overheated. I had, because the CFexpress will heat up and it generates a lot of heat, so I'm using it outdoor in the hot sun, so it's very hot, and I shoot very high speed burst shots and pre-burst as well. So this goes in nicely. Beautiful card. So let me try this out, the Wise 160 GB Pro card. So give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and follow me on the next one. I'll update if this card will survive my torture. Okay, bye.